This video is a full tutorial of how to use Posthog for beginners.
First and foremost is that you should go to the website and of course log into your account. If you already have an account, then just proceed, and if not, then get started for free, then sign up. Just answer some basic questions like what are you doing in this website right here and such. After that is that this is the Posthog homepage. Here you can see is that this is the name of my organization. You can change it whenever you want, and you can also add some organizations right here. We also have a project where you can add some new root folder or add new project. We also have the dashboard, the data, notebook, um, people where you can invite your colleagues. We also have the products, the analytics, and everything. We also have here shortcuts where you can search your own. We also have here the products, which involves the product analytics, analytics for web, session replay, and everything. We also have the settings right here. And you can also close the side panel right here to have more space, or if you want, you can just tap right back in. We also have right here an AI, as you call this, AI assistant. If you have curiosity about something, then I think his name is Max, since I'm Max. And yes, that's all.